Okay, viewers, first of all, take a look at this video. It is related to health-talking objects. Let's take a look.
Hi, I'm Yogurt. I bring friendly probiotics that help support your gut microbiome. Enjoy me in the morning so your digestion starts the day feeling balanced.
All right, viewers, today we will generate a video similar to this one. So without wasting any time, the first thing you need to do is open ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, scroll down and look at the left side of the screen. There you will see the GPTs option, which is a feature that has recently been released. When you click on it, you will see the option Explore GPTs, and inside it you can find tools like Object Talk and Health Talking Object AI Studio. Today I want to create a video about health talking fruits, so I will click on Health Talking Object AI Studio. After clicking on it, you will see that the interface opens like this. As you can see, it already provides several trending topic ideas for creating health short videos. For example, it suggests topics such as talking foods for digestion, and it can generate a 90-second script with healthy food characters. So today, the topic I want to work on is talking foods for digestion. I simply click on this topic. Within about a minute, the tool automatically generates a complete script with multiple scenes. In each scene, it introduces different fruits or foods and explains how they help with digestion and support our health. Now I also need image prompts and video prompts for this script, so I simply type Generate Image and Video Prompts. After pressing enter, you can see that within 10 to 20 seconds, it generates both image prompts and video prompts for each scene. For example, it creates prompts for foods like chia seeds, apples, bananas, and other healthy ingredients. As you can see, it provides each scene step by step, including the image prompt and the video prompt. This means that Health Talking Object AI Studio is a very powerful tool. With just one click, all your prompts are ready. It's really amazing. Now, viewers, if you look carefully, you will see that all the scenes and prompts are perfectly structured and very high quality. All right, viewers, without wasting any more time, let's move directly to the text-to-video generation step. For this, we will use the GROK AI tool, which is currently very trending and also offers unlimited free usage, so there is no need to worry. First, click on the Imagine option, then select Video, and choose the aspect ratio you want. Now I will copy the first prompt, which is the yogurt prompt, and paste it here. Then I click on the Generate button. Okay, viewers, it usually takes about 1 minute. And as you can see, after about a minute, my first yogurt health video is ready, including the talking animation. I will download and save this video. Now I will copy the second prompt, paste it again, and generate the next video. After a short time, you can see that the ginger root video is also ready, and it looks very impressive and very trendy. I will download and save this one as well. Next, I will copy the third prompt, which is related to Apple, paste it here, and generate the video. After a short time, the third video is also ready, and again, it looks amazing. I will download and save it. In this way, you can simply paste each prompt one by one and generate all your scenes step by step. This means that the GROK tool is also very powerful, and using this method, you can generate unlimited talking videos, which are currently very trending on social media platforms. All right, viewers, I hope you really liked today's video and found it helpful. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel so we can continue bringing you more videos about new AI tools and new creative methods. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.